Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create Amazon Seller Central account. So let's get started. So for this you will need a valid government issued ID or passport, a recent bank account statement, a rechargeable credit or debit card, and also a mobile no phone. So the first you will have to do is to go to the browser and now search for apply Amazon Seller Central and click on the first link. Now in here just register for this account, and now you will be on this page, and now click on begin at the bottom, and now in here just enter your business location and the business type, and now click on agree and continue. So now just enter all of your business information like your business name, the registration number, the registered business address, and also the phone number for verification. After providing the business information, the next step will be to provide the seller information. So just provide all of your personal information over here. Now the third step will be of the billing type. Now just enter the details through a chargeable credit or debit card over here. Now the first step will be making the store. So just write your buy over here, all the products, the description, and the prices. Now the last step will be of the verification. Now here what you have to do is to wait for the verification to be processed, and once they approve your account, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.